Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your Jio SIM is active, placed in the primary slot, and your phone supports VoLTE. Open Settings and verify network mode supports LTE. This ensures calls can use the 4G radio. Next, enable mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi so carrier provisioning can complete. Once done, restart the device to let the network detect VoLTE capability. I explain why. The network must provision your SIM and handset together for seamless high-quality voice over LTE. You now enable VoLTE in the phone's SIM or cellular settings, toggle VoLTE or HD voice on. If your device prompts to update carrier settings, accept the update. This downloads configuration that unlocks VoLTE calling. For dual SIM phones, make sure Jio is selected as the default for voice calls, otherwise calls may route over 2G or 3G. Once done, verify the VoLTE or HD icon appears in the status bar. This step links your handset settings to carrier provisioning. You finish by making a test call and watching for the VoLTE or HD indicator. Good audio confirms success. If VoLTE does not appear, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or power off, remove and reinsert the SIM, then reboot. This forces network re-registration. Also ensure carrier updates were applied. If problems persist, contact Jio support and provide your IMEI and SIM number so they can complete provisioning on their end. Remember, many activation issues resolve after a restart or a short provisioning window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.